Congrats. Grade 1 na. Grade 1 na. Marami. Ay, ay. Grade 1 na.
Okay. So, ubay-ubay naman ta. So, for today, everyone, dili ra ko mo-discuss sa inyo. I'll be giving you your final reporting. Okay, next week we'll be having our final exam. So, I grouped you into 3. Okay, dili ni siya bias nga pagkagrupo na ukas. Okay, nagamit ko team picker wheel. So, dili ni ako ang pagbuot. This is for group 1, group 2, and group 3. For group 1, we have notification and keeping of records of accidents and or occupational illness. Group 2 would be Philippine laws and OSH. For Philippine laws and OSH, there are lots of laws as executive orders. So I just want you to explain the content of that law. Okay? Dili jud kay mubo, di bu kay taas. Okay? All groups must report next week. Kay mo na siya atong additional topics for the final exam. Final exam coverage will be from prelim to final. Okay? Apil na to inyong giton ang pag-semifinals na oral examination. So, group 3, we have premises of establishments. Siya rin din ninyong bumantag na po, good mo kabuok. Right? Do you have any question? Everyone? Wala? Wala.
Ma'am, mag-send gagawan ma'am kanang more details sa i-report.
No, just this. Kani siyang notification, kuha naman ni siya, code ra man ni siya. Also po ning Philippine laws and OSH code ra pud ni siya. Premises of establishment, I think based sa akong research na ara pud ni siya sa net. Okay, so you can just do your own research.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, at most dapat mahurot na nato ang 3 hours. So basically, ba, 10 lang ito. So at most 1 hour ang kada grupo. At most na ha. Dili pud kayo mo. Okay. Do you have any other question aside from Marijan's question?
Wala na ma'am.
Face to face
Okay.
nga reporting ma'am.
Yes, face-to-face nga reporting.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ako na pala yung ilo. Sa kaibigan na nag-iwas dahil sa ng ano. Marinig ka. Sakto ginakong ingon. Klaro nila ng buwa. Naging 7. Last na pa na. Yeah, one ko naging 7. Salay sila. Wala mo yung 40 mas timber ko. 40 nila. Advantage nila.
Kabag, present. Canonigo, present. Kapisnon, wala si Jiki, si Janice, okay.
Present, ma'am.
Si Neza, Codino,
Present.
Dagle, De La Victoria, Peleses,
Present, ma'am.
Gabato, Hernandez,
Present, ma'am.
Ibarra,
Present, ma'am.
Lebron, Andio, Lucero,
Present, Miss.
Mahinay,
Present, ma'am. Present.
Present, ma'am.
okay.
Present,
Mahi-
ma'am.
okay, Mahusay,
Present, miss.
Nandreza,
Present, Miss.
Negre,
Present, ma'am.
Niadas,
Present, ma'am.
Umandak,
Present, ma'am. Bingo.
Omega,
Present, ma'am.
okay, Suwan,
Present, Miss.
Sumalino, present, Soralta,
Present, Miss.
Texon,
Present, Miss.
Tuto,
Present, Miss.
Balizado,
Present, Miss.
Villacampa,
Present, ma'am.
Hinon,
Present, ma'am.
Umiktin,
Makinip kayo.
wala si Trisha? Mhm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Na si Jiki, Dagle, De La Victoria, Gabato. Hmm. Okay. So, if you don't have any questions, you may leave the meet now. You can collaborate with your group. Okay? Hopefully, motabang ang tanan. Okay? Dili lang bilang uban. Okay? For the groupings. Okay. Noted, Rubik. So, for the rubrics, anak class, by the way, limot ako. Sa rubrics, anak, 50-50. So, 50% individual grading, 50% for the overall presentation of the group. Okay? So, inana akong pag-grade sa inyo po. So, if you don't have any questions, you may leave the meet now. Bye, everyone. See you next week.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye-bye. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, miss. Thank you, miss.